morning traders, another beautiful week to be here and giving you guys a market outlook on US dollar pairs and gold. So let's get straight to it. Here on gold, we've seen price has been stuck in this zones here. We've seen price has been stuck in this zone here, failing to break this high and then still failing to break this low. So obviously guys, we are kind of stuck in this rangy market here on gold. So what are we expecting to see today on gold, guys? So I'll be expecting to see price either take out this low or this high on gold so that we can have a clear direction. I'm still looking, this liquidity is still an open liquidity for price to grab, because obviously we displaced after taking out this liquidity. There's a strong displacement, and I believe that's why price haven't grabbed enough momentum to continue going into the highs, because when price displays like this, it's kind of some people take it as a change of character and then they continue selling. So here I believe buyers and sellers are battling in this zone, so I will still be looking out for price to take this liquidity zone here so that we can continue with the longs and then continue longing gold. Then apart from that, that's all for gold, guys. That's all for gold. So to the next pair should be DXY. Here on DXY, what do we see? We've seen price take out this high upon the open of the upon what do we call it, upon the market open last night. So what do we expect from today? We expect to see price give us a change of character at least, so that we can know that DXY is ready to short. So what I expect from DXY today is to just see change of character from this low and then pull back, then we continue to sell off. That's for the week. That's what we expect for the week, because we have, like I said before, we have liquidity resting below here, and we are expecting price to take out these liquidities so that we can see more longs, and possibly safe. We will expect price to take this low on DXY. And upon market open last night, we've seen US oil pump massively from 88 points, from 88.7 to over it got to 115.160 before pulling back down again to 101, of which we are presently in now. So that was caused by the war the US war on Iran. So that's that for US oil, guys. That's that for US oil. We'd have capitalized on this, but no trading opportunity here, because price has just been rattling up and pushing to the highs. So the next pair we should be looking out for is Euro USD. Euro USD obviously has taken this low, of which we've been waiting for a while now. We've taken that low, and so what I expect from price now, what I expect price to do now is to actually give us a change of character so that we can continue longing the pair. As you can see, I already drew out what I'll be expecting from price to do. So I'm expecting a change of character, take out this high, then we'll get a retracement and then take the longs to this high. Then that's that for Euro USD, guys. This is what we're obviously expecting on Euro USD. Why am I expecting this? Because Euro USD is obviously on uptrend. Euro USD is obviously on uptrend. We have this high, we have this low, and this is the present high and this is the present low. We already took internal liquidity, so I'm expecting external liquidity to be taken next. So that's that for Euro USD, guys. So the next pair is GBP USD. GBP USD similar to Euro USD, but not similar price action, but similar structure. So I was expecting this to also take this low, but we didn't get that. So what we'll be expecting now is price kind of ranging, and we've already taken the high of the range and we have taken the low of the range now. So what do I expect from this now? I'll be expecting to see prices that take out this high one more time, and then from there we can continue to the long. But again, we mind you, we have yearly and 3 monthly open here, and also uh, monthly open and weekly open all in one zone. And this should be very strong enough to push price down once more. But um, what we'll just be doing is just to watch price action so that we know what we can take. But ideally, at DBIM we had one more sweep on this pair, and then the structure shift came in, and then we know that price is actually ready to continue with the longs. So that's for GU, guys. The next pair is AUD. AUD kind of messy also. AUD is kind of messy. So what I'm looking at for on AUD is I'm looking to see more longs on AUD, because obviously we've been trending into the highs, and we see price have retraced into what do we call it? Price have retraced into demand, and so from this demand zone, which is a monthly open, the 2 monthly open. So from here we might expect it to see price continue to push into the highs, but we want to see fractal shift or structure shift. So that's why I was expecting one more sweep from this, but we didn't get that. Or at least, okay, let us see if we can take out this high, then we'll know if price will continue with the longs. But this pair is not being decisive presently, so let's just let it do its thing, because supply is still in control within the fractal trend. Supply is still in control. So that's that for AUD, guys. And the next pair is New Zealand. New Zealand dollar, New Zealand USD, NZD USD. So what do we have on NZD USD? NZD USD actually has pushed down, and, and we've seen NZD tap into the uh, daily demand. So from there, it's possible to see price continue to push into the highs. But as we've gotten to 50% of the zone and we have little liquidities here that price has taken. Well, ideally, I want to see one more sweep, and maybe if possible, safe we can get price to get to this 3 monthly and yearly open to be more confluencer for price to continue going up, because we have a lot of liquidity piling here, and of which price which would be nice to see price take it out. We should go to the daily time frame for a clearer structure. I'm still looking to see price take out this high here, this high we have here. I'm still looking to see price take out that high. So if price action holds, if price action holds, we expect to see something like this, maybe drop more, change of character, and then from there you will see more longs. If not, we might just see price continue to sell off, take out this low and continue to sell off. But that's that for NZD. The next pair is USD card. So the next pair is USD CHF. Here on USD CHF, I was expecting to see price give us one more push into the highs, and then maybe from there we'll continue to short the pair. But obviously we didn't get that. We saw price rejecting immediately after taking this liquidity here. I was expecting price to at least get to this 3 monthly and yearly open, which would have been more influencer for us to short this pair to this liquidity low. This 1, 2, 3 touch liquidity. Trendline touch liquidity. Trendline traders will be expecting it now to though we all trade trendline, but now we'll be expecting to tap one more time once we get to this zone. But price will now what we expect from this, because is what we expect from this now is to see a sweep, price taking out this low. And again, why do we expect that? Price has been trending down. So that's that for the pair. We should drop down to the 4 hours. We've seen we already had a fractal shift, and maybe from there we can continue to sell off. We already have fractal shift here, so from there we might continue to sell off. If we can take this liquidity above here, also we can take this liquidity here, then you get a fractal shift in the 1 hour or 15 minutes, then maybe from there we can continue to sell off or sell the pair, the US dollar CHF. So that's that for US dollar CHF, guys. The next pair is US dollar card. Next pair is US dollar card. And on US dollar card, nice price action as we have seen price take out the liquidity we've been targeting, and from there, from last week, this occurred last week here. So we saw price take out the liquidity, and from there we continue to see sell off on US dollar card. So what do we expect from US dollar? What are we expecting now? I'm still expecting price to take out this low, so that the structure will be completed, because we've taken internal liquidity. So now we're expecting external liquidity to be grabbed. So that's that for US dollar card. So that's that for US dollar card. So I'm expecting US dollar card to sell off and take out this low. So so the next pair should be US dollar JPY. US dollar JPY has been trending up. I would ideally prefer to see one more sweep of this liquidity here before we continue to push into the high. Then price will now, if possible, price will then tap into this 3-monthly open. So that's what I'll be looking out for the week on US dollar JPY. A sweep of this low, tap into this demand zone, and then we continue to push up higher. So that's all I'm expecting on US dollar JPY, guys. US dollar JPY till we take out this high. So the next pair is I think that's all for today, guys. Well, I will be dropping a bonus pair, which is AUDCHF. AUDCHF, this is a trade I'm currently on, as we have had our fractal structure shift. What was I looking out for on this pair? Obviously, we are trending up on AUDCHF. We've been trending up. We had liquidity sweep here, and from there we saw strong momentum into the high. And today, what am I expecting from today? We already have our liquidity sweep, double liquidity sweep here and here. So what do I expect from this now, guys? I expect to see price as we have had our fractal structure shift. I expect to see price take out this trend based liquidity and take this high out, so that we can know that another high has been formed and the structure continues. So guys, I'm already on this pair. This is a trade I'm currently on, and I'm holding until we see that high get taken. This is a trade I'm currently on, guys, with my stop loss below here and targeting this high. So that's that for today, guys. That's all we have for the market outlook. So if you like to see videos like this and you want to keep seeing more videos on this market outlook, just like the video, drop a comment, and drop your thoughts also on the comment. Drop your thoughts, what you think, if you feel something isn't correct or something isn't right, you can drop your thoughts in the comments, and leave a like on this video, and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Peace out. See you tomorrow. Have a successful trading week.